Hi, this is William, and welcome to my coloring video tutorial. And firstly, thanks for watching, and I hope you will survive this hopelessly boring video tutorial. And anyway, in this tutorial, we're gonna look at how we can create black and white images to color images like that. But before we actually go into the tutorial, let's go and take a look at the concept behind coloring the black and white images. The thing is that if you have a black and white image like that, you can only just put the colors in by just guessing it and just putting it, for example, in this picture. You can see that the original image of this old lady was all in black and white, and the graphic designer who puts it and is just guessing the color of a sweater, what's the color of the sofa, what's the color of the curtain, and so on and so forth. And the skin tones, of course, skin tones are usually hard to put in, but other than that, it's quite alright to just guess a color and put it in. For example, like in this picture, this wood is different. Just important thing is that don't match the skin tones, and if you match the skin tones, you probably get a result like that, or even like this, or up to here. Well, other than that, let's go into the tutorial. I guess you got the idea. Alright, so we're just gonna guess whatever color we feel like putting in, and we're just gonna put in. So that's the entire concept of this. Anyway, let's go back to the tutorial, and I don't want to see this picture anymore. And so the picture actually is currently this picture. You might be wondering, where do you get this picture? Because I didn't put any links. The reason is that you probably already have this picture. Okay, this picture is you can, if you're using Mac like I'm currently doing it, you can just find inside the applications and look inside Adobe Photoshop CS3 or CS2. It doesn't really matter which version you're looking at. There's this folder called samples. You will have this folder called samples in your Photoshop folder, unless you've downloaded an illegal copy of Photoshop. Well, in that case, I'm not sure. Anyway, let's assume you have the picture, and you better have one. And here we go. That's the pictures here, ranch house. So same thing for PC users. If you're using Windows, you can just go to C Program Files, which usually is where the folder where Photoshop is installed. Anyway, when we're ready in Photoshop, we need to take a look at this image because it's usually a grayscale. A grayscale image basically cannot contain colors. Alright, it only contains like black and white shades of gray. For example, if I pick up a brush, if I choose a red color brush, and if I start painting over, you notice that it doesn't come out red. Even if I change to any color, it won't come out, and the color will not come out just because it's only showing you in gray. So basically, what you need to do is you need to convert the image from mode. You can see that when you go to image mode, it says grayscale. So you need to either change it to RGB or CMYK or something else that can contain colors. In this case, we're going to change to RGB. So here we go. When I click it, the image turns RGB. Well, in this case, I hope you're not expecting to have the image back in color by changing it to RGB. Well, okay, so now you can see that the image can contain colors and stuff. That's all. That's the only change we have, but that's a very important change. And then secondly, of course, we're going to just look inside the image, and let me start by doing the door.